Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you quick shortcut key to select column, row or cell in Microsoft Excel. So let's take a look how to do that. Example, here is a Excel worksheet document and I would like to select this all data in my Excel worksheet. How you can select that? It's really easy and simple. You can use in your keyboard quick shortcut key Ctrl Shift and End, and it will select all the data in your Excel worksheet document. And let's select how you can select column and row individually. Example, if you like to select column and row different places in this Excel worksheet document, you in your keyboard press the Ctrl key and then in your mouse press the right arrow key, and it will select the individual cell, column and row in your Excel worksheet document, and then you can do whatever work you would like to do. Also, if you would like to select whole row, how you can do that? It's really easy and simple. Example, I would like to select this row, whole row. How you can do? In your keyboard, press the Shift key and the space key, and it will select all the row easily. Just press the Shift key and press the space key, and it will select the row. And let me show you how you can select individually row in your Excel worksheet document. Example, I would like to select these 2 row, 9 row, 13 row. Same way, press long press on the Ctrl key and then in your keyboard press the right arrow key. And this is how you can select different row in different area in Microsoft Excel worksheet. And other things you might maybe know, all of you, how you can select all this worksheet document. Simply press in your keyboard Ctrl A to select all this worksheet document. And then other things, how you can select column. If you like to select this column in your keyboard, press the Ctrl Shift and down arrow key to select all this column. So this is quick shortcut key. Maybe it will helpful for you to use work on Microsoft Excel worksheet document. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.